Sambat. Sambat is commonly used in eating, usually three or stiff metal points to attack a handle. Other terms, fork. Sentence, kumain ako gamit ang sambat. Plisitibo. Definition. A plicitive or fandom is a type of voting or proposing laws. Some definitions suggest that a type of vote to suggest a constitution or govern a country. Sentence. Ang Amindia ay nagtatamo ng pagpapatibay ng mga kasapi sa kapulungan ng mga kinatawan at Senado ng isang plisitibo. Tala-arawan or other terms calendar is a chart, a document, or a series of pages that inform us the number of days, weeks, months, and specific year. It could also be inform us holiday seasons, the specific phase of the moon, and other important reminders. Halimbawa, ang ating anibersaryo ay ika-16 na araw ng Pebrero ayon sa aking tala-arawan.